Hi dear friends, dear students, welcome to Gallant IAS. Yes, our prelims is over. Prelims 2022 is just over. Now the question is, what is next? What to do next? I also know that many of you checked your score with different answer keys. Somewhere you found above the cutoff, somewhere you found below the cutoff, and you are confused what to do. Let me tell you, don't get too depressed or don't be panic with the different answer keys and your fluctuations in your scores and all. Trust the final answer key. And here, whether you are in or out, the game is not over. See, not this year. If not this year, next year, definitely. There are many aspirants who cleared this examination in the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th, or even in the final attempt. Okay. So what I say is like, in extreme case, if you couldn't clear this year, this is not the end of the life, this is not the end of this UPSC game. Of course, with the same pace of preparation, you can do your mains preparation. Okay, make yourself super solid in your mains portions before the next prelims. Okay, and also, if you are in, definitely, you don't have days to waste. Okay, have a plan. So let me tell you, have a cool plan for your mains preparation. Cool, I mean, is like have a very simple, very convincing, okay, very convincing, very simple plan which you can follow. You customize a strategy or a plan of mains preparation for yourself in the coming days. What I would say, you should have clear-cut idea about the main syllabus. That is first important thing. Mains is, prelims was objective examination, mains is descriptive. This message is for all the beginners and this message is for all who confused with the mains preparation. So let me tell you, the first thing you have to do is, yes, you should be well versed with the syllabus of the mains. You know that total 9 papers are there in the mains. How many papers are there? Total 9 papers are there. 2 qualifiers are there. 1 compulsory English and 1 is regional language. Okay. So see, 2 qualifiers are there, 2 qualifying papers are there. Then you have essay paper, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 plus 2 optional papers. Any optional you choose, it will have paper 1 and paper 2. So that way, how many merit papers are there? 7 merit papers are there. 7 merit papers and 2 qualifiers. Total 9 papers are there. Don't ever underestimate the qualifiers because of qualifiers, many couldn't clear mains also. So these qualifiers, you have to work upon these qualifiers. You have to practice the qualifiers. Then yes, you should invest quality time into your merit papers, your GS papers. Okay, essay paper is there, GS1 is there, GS2 is there, GS3 is there, GS4 is there, plus your optional. Okay, so here have a clear-cut plan for a strategy for your GS preparation, daily GS preparation and daily optional preparation. GS1, you know that broadly speaking, you have history and culture, geography and society, GS1. Okay, history and culture, geography and the society, GS1. It's mostly a kind of static paper. Okay, current affairs superimposition you can see in GS2 and GS3, but still you have to cover the related current affairs in GS1 also. Okay, history, culture, geography and society, GS1. GS2 is polity, governance, constitution, international relations, social justice. Okay, GS3, you know, economy, agriculture, sectors, industries and all. Economy, a huge major chunk. Economy is there, internal security is there, space is there, environment is there, disaster management is there. All those things you have to cover very well. GS4, you know, ethics paper, there is section A, section B, theories and case studies. Okay, these GS papers, you customize your plan. You can set a number of days for a particular topic from GS1, for history, for culture, for geography, for society. You set a plan. Okay, this much days for this subject. Similar way, GS1, 2, 3, 4, you can do the breakdown. You can divide it into various topics, set days for each topic, you finish it off. Then what you have to do is like yes, in every topic, for example, you are taking society, 10 modules are there, 10, 12 modules are there. When you do each, you can prepare your own short notes. You already prepared this. I hope you prepared. If not, when you cover these each modules, you can just focus on making short notes. you must build up that concept. Building is part and parcel of this, mains portions or mains answer writing. Before that, the concept, you must be super strong with the concepts. So concept building plus answer writing plus evaluation and evolution, that is very important in mains. You have to build the concepts, you have to be super strong with the, you should have the conceptual clarity in history portions, culture portions, geography portions, or in society portions. Similar way in GS2, GS3, GS4 also. Yes, that conceptual clarity, conceptual building is very much essential. Second is obviously answer practice. Once you learn, prepared any modules, second part is of course practicing answer writing. You can pick the previous 5 years questions, you can practice with the previous year's questions, you can practice with the model questions, practice answer writing, and of course that evaluation is important. Get your answer evaluated or corrected by a mentor, and try to do a self-assessment where you stand, what all things you covered, what all things you not covered, okay, what all these improvements you have, or in terms of this answer content, answer structuring, answer presentation, what all the problems you have, you must have a clear cut idea about that, and you have to improve accordingly. So getting proper mentorship, proper feedback also matters a lot in mains. Yes, have a clear cut picture about how many days left for you, how many number of days you can invest for each subject. That idea must be very clear. You should have a daily plan, you should have a weekly plan, you should have a monthly plan, just like prelims. Here in every day, okay, considerable quality hours you can invest for GS preparation, considerable hours you can spend for your optional preparation, then 1 or 2 hours you can spend for your qualifiers, and quality hours you can spend on answer writing. These things you have to practice every day. There should be GS preparation, optional preparation, answer practice. This matters a lot. Okay, so prepare accordingly, prepare short notes, revise very well, just like prelims here also. Yes, the revision matters a lot. You prepared your analysis on various issues, okay, you already prepared your short notes, now revision matters, then answer practice matters. You have 10 marker question, 15 marker question coming to GS for 20 marker questions. So 150 words, 250 words. What I say is like answer writing will give you a clear cut picture. Practice will give you a clear cut picture. Yes, how many minutes you take for writing a 10 marker question. Actually, you won't get the time. Actually, you have to limit yourself to 6 minutes or 7 minutes. Okay, a single 150 words answer you have to finish in 6 to 7 minutes. So that's initially it is not possible. Initially when you write practice answer writing in the first time, you will take 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 15 minutes, etc. Doesn't matter. But gradually when you continuously practice answer writing, yes, it will speed up. The process will, you can speed up this process. You can increase the pace of that, or your speed of answer writing will increase. Along with that accuracy, precision of answering, that also has to enhance. Both these things are important. Speed of answer writing and the quality of answers or precision of answers. Both are important, for which practice matters a lot, and get it evaluated. Every answer evaluated by your mentors. Okay. Then strategy has to be like this. Don't ever think that static portions I will ignore. See, give equal weightage to static and dynamic. I have seen many people, because of ignoring the static portions, they couldn't clear mains. So give equal weightage to static portions and dynamic portions. Equal weightage to your statics and your current affairs. Okay. And of course, you should get quality time over optional preparation. Optional is the kingmaker, I would say. Okay, see, what you score in your optional, that will decide whether you must be up to that top 100 or top 200 rank list or in the bottom. Okay, so this optional, scoring optional, if you could score something near around 300 plus, yes, that makes a big change here. GS papers, almost all the aspirants, all the toppers, they have almost the same mark, or those who get into the top 200, 250, etc. Yes, what matters, their marks in optional or essay, etc. matters. Okay, so optional plays crucial role. Don't ever ignore optional subject. Paper 1, paper 2, give quality time over optional, and it should not be like that last month before the mains I will invest on optional. Should not be like that. Right from now onwards, along with your GS, every day you spend a quality hours on your optional preparation also. Okay, these things are very, very important. Please take care of these aspects. Don't waste your time, and don't listen to the what is called negative things. Don't put yourself in a depressed mood. Okay, see, every UPSC aspirant is a warrior. Okay, ultimately you will win the game this year or next year. That confidence you must have, and you must work accordingly. All these things matters a lot. So please follow this, please take care of this. Again, Gallant IAS will be launching our exclusive mains mentorship program. Check the mains. Okay, check the mains. We will be launching very soon. It will cover GS 1, 2, 3, 4 plus your qualifiers. It will have daily answer writings, daily feedback by subject experts, section wise tests, and this final test. Also, personalized mentorship by the subject experts. Okay, so that program we will start on 15th of June itself. Interested students can enroll for that program. You can contact our office number. Also, our optional subjects like history, botany, Malayalam, sociology, we are starting very soon. History also, there is a huge there among the aspirants there was a rumor like this: history is not scoring. But this year you see that the All India topper, rank number 1, she cleared with a history optional. Okay, so UPSC has no discrimination among the optional subjects. Okay, every optional has equal potentiality, or they are equally potential to take you to the top list, provided you invest your quality hours and if you contribute your best effort into, or your like best preparation into that. So optional subject, all optional subjects are scoring provided you invest your best effort, or you the way you contribute to that. Okay, if you copy cut paste from others, you are not going to score in optional. Okay, so that's why every optional subjects have equal weightage, and all matters how you what kind of the perception you have in your optional, that matters a lot. Okay, so optional batches also starting soon. Interested students can enroll, interested students can contact our office. So this is my message to all of you guys, both our online offline students, our regular viewers. Don't worry about your prelims course, whatever. It was comparatively like a kind of totally with some new trends. They introduced a new paper. UPSC always have some predictability in every year. They always hide some surprises every year. So just listen to your intuition, just follow your intuition, your basic instinct. What I say is like have a plan and maintain your momentum, your pace of preparation. Follow with your mains and finish your mains, whatever the prelims results could be. Okay, whether you are in or out doesn't matter. Even if you are not in, yes, next year is yours. So before that, make sure you finish your mains. Okay, GS mains and optional, those guys appearing this year, don't waste time. Yes, you start your mains preparation ASAP. All the best. Thank you.